It's summertime and ladybugs are dancing through the warm air. I thought, why not match their charm? So I decided to create two miniature brooches, one for myself and one for my girlfriend. We begin by sketching the outline of our ladybug onto a sheet of copper. Once the shape is laid out, we carefully mark the positions for the signature dots and drill small holes at each marked spot. With the drilling complete, we file the edges smooth and move on to sawing out the main shape, bringing the basic form of a ladybug to life. Next, we use a pair of compasses to mark small brass circles. This will become the iconic dots on our ladybug. Each one is carefully sized to fit into the pre-drilled holes onto the copper body. Once positioned, we solder them securely in place to ensure they hold firm and blend seamlessly into design. Now it's time to craft the tiny pin mechanism that will let our ladybug perch neatly on a shirt. It's made from a piece of a copper wire and a small copper plate, simple in concept but quite challenging to execute due to its miniature size. As a mechanical engineer, I find a special joy in creating mechanisms like this, even if they demand a good deal of patience and precision. Next, we solder the main body of the ladybug to the pin mechanism. After that, it's time to gently file the edges, rounding them off to give our piece a softer and more refined feel. Before we move on to the polishing, make sure to sand the surface thoroughly and clean it well. Before we begin polishing, we apply a bit of a polishing compound to the wheel. Then we carefully polish the entire piece until it gleams. Once polished, clean it thoroughly. When engraving, be sure to hold the piece firmly and take your time. Patience is key to bringing out those delicate lines. And just like that, our matching ladybug brooches are complete. Pin them to your shirt and you are ready to shine at any fabulous party. Thank you so much for watching. If you are a book lover, don't miss my previous video where I created a custom-made bookmark. It is something special. And if you enjoyed this project, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.